To me, the biggest innovation that we've got that sets us apart is our steering wheel model. It offers comfort, it offers ease for those that are not used to the lap bar unit. Anybody that's mowed next to a highway, next to a pond, understands the tension when going across a grade, can understand what the S offers. Anybody that's drove a lap bar knows that you got to finesse your corners to keep from any kind of turfing, where your rear wheel spins a little bit quicker than your front's going, or vice versa. And then, of course, it leaves an ugly dead spot. So with this S model, gas pedal, the reverse pedal is all tied to the steering wheel. So it reduces turfing tremendously. So I think that goes to show that we mean business. The amount of effort and time that went into the planning of this unit, the engineering of this unit, we've gone up in girth, we've gone up in strength. With what we see coming down the line today, it says commercial. It says, I dare you to tear me up.